Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. We're going to show you how to configure your home screen in your Poco Xiaomi X6 Pro. The information screen. As you see in this case, when you swipe the right, there is no information screen. Yep, I will show you how to do that. Go to settings, then go to the home screen, and there is a -1 screen. There is none. Standard is the Google Discovery, so something like that. As you see, there is a Google Discovery. And there is a treating that the app vault, yep, so we see the all apps from your phone. Yep, yeah, that's it. So you can choose from here. If you don't like that or Google Discovery or something like that, just put this option and disable it or enable it if you wish for your own preferences. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!